Alright, hey everybody, thanks for watching. Yes, the title isn't lying. I got the Baler stuck, and I got it stuck bad. Our friend from the gravel pit's coming up right here with a big ass loader, and he's gonna help us pull it out. We've been having a bunch of rain, so it's been sitting here for like 3 days now. We haven't been able to get over here. Every afternoon it rains on us. But in a little later section here, I will explain how I ended up in this predicament, because there was standing water all over out here. We accidentally filled a ditch up with water over there. But me and the crew are out here. We're gonna chain this sucker up and try and pull it out.
Attempt 1, I'm trying to pull Case International out of the ditch, or out of its own hole. I want to back up a little bit farther in case that thing breaks.
Okay, so we got the baler out with no damage, thankfully, but the camera died before we actually got it out, so you don't get to see it, the successful pull out. Got to see our attempt to pull it out, but this is the aftermath here. It's been a couple of days since we got it out, but I was finally over here, and I'm raking up this hay because it's gotten rained on again. But what happened, right along here, you can see where the edge that I cut. There's a ditch that runs along there that we made when we put this sprinkler up, and we flood irrigate this spot in between these two out here. And we've been getting water from the canal, which comes from the Rio Grande River, and we had to start using it, so we were sending water to a corner down in that direction. And we both, myself and my nephew, forgot we have to put a tarp at the beginning of this ditch right there. And I came out to clean up the hedgerow that was here because it was cut early and I was getting it out of the way. I was baling it up, and I just figured I would come around here and go back to my house over there and not have to bounce over all the sprinkler tracks. And I was driving up right along there, noticed water in the ditch, looked forward, looked back up this way, realized that there was water everywhere over here because it was just coming over the ditch and coming out everywhere. And there was a nice little lake right here, and I didn't get myself moved out that way fast enough, and boom, you can see where I might be able to see it where I was trying to turn, but yeah, and this is what happened. There was standing water right here, and it had been standing here for a few days without us realizing it. What we had to do here is bring our backhoe in and dig out in front of the baler tires that were right here, because it was like a concrete wall right here. And then we brought out a bunch of little bales to throw in the holes once we had everything up. Got everything up to here, had the tractor out, threw in a bunch of bales, and then had to pull ourselves all the way out to there. And we'll get this fixed up. We wanted to get the hay out of the way so we can fill in all these holes, but yeah, I messed up big time right there. But we got the baler out undamaged, which is the important part. Right here is where the loader was, and he started digging holes as well. And mind you, this was 5 days after I got stuck is when we were finally able to get it out because of the rain. Yeah. So here's the aftermath. These holes are obviously a whole bale deep. Yeah, we had to dig down a couple of feet right here because the baler tires were right there. Had to pull dirt out and then keep digging out and then put hay back in once we were finally out. But we got it out. So feel free to make fun of me in the comments below, because I probably deserve it. Thanks for watching.